Eddie Kai. You bet my cassa, your bomber basso, at least. Jumadi Amudi, you know, there. Auntie, I think I'm bonny be a baby cacrabi na, say. Ali Zakaria Mon of East. Beto say a brono near dinner. Bimuso a batch, dear or Munina crown of the display committee. I'm told they've been referred to go and answer questions there. What are Roma? Northeast. And Ra. Abrantia, who coach the Muma and Robo Kennedy, a compre Japan. A press conference say. Kratano. Our Monday to Abano, way 2 years, no, they had said your Toronto Sunti 28 years, sir. And when the Oman sign. What are Roma? I bet Tomanim.
Oh, I'm not minchetifu. Na menka say, I am a Monday trim. Partino, Edmo, a dear friend, especially electric college.
SOMPA FM.
A very yes, Ronco. Now, unique stakeholders, presidential aspirants, any agents, electoral commission, Ghana Police Service, any union media for, and a year segment. In the Asudano, a comobibia. The woman say Presidential Elections Committee are part in the DCO. Committee no. Impinfo a omkodan no all the voting centers owura okogina mu wo northeast yefene owura Sibido Hassan Yakubu eno echi no yewo regional police commander ho your regional EC boss and so on other presidential aspirants 10 of them no Omunyina so agent na emrem no say yisi e conduct elections we na okenkan no record ya say agent be sign say agent and sign yisi be declare results no
okay
it say a voting sentence no yisi no be announce results it that also in all the 17 voting centers. The results no by EC headquarters electronically na EC equality. The woman say Presidential Elections Committee no enra ACI. Yes, and yes, share all the presidential aspirants. And which you know, union mubia granting interviews say BB anyo mode. Their course so any anticipation anye pepepe no committee no etunsa afrem se ne momra na de echire omusu bia no yento to adwen yen tie faako emu asem yes fa yemua eno nti saa na committee no aye no de yesre ne se yenyina ne kan ya ho odin ana party no it will conduct a successful program. And the year November 4 in Peninfa conference, special electoral college, Yomono, Ebeko, the final one. And no away him. When him say party so national chairman, AFRE, and the emergency national executive committee, and the national council meeting. In Sunday, now we anima party no identity to ye egwa kwamnyai. The committee can say, Ubi I am memenda because so anya ode wa grant interview. Who akwenya say Ubebabi who committee na ya to again. Nim de say I can say, Enya committee ne den say ye very fair. Party for omo de oma say aye atemdie enkwa nom de be sign your party mpanyifo your party abedum pempen so say mpanyifo bi na de o ma hoden omunim de omunyansa ne omsika eje party no ejina ho se ne abedum nso me no so a ese say yenso ye boy hoden to aso ye esen say ye be ne ntoko into nso busai efa north easter ye penya okoho EC boss regional police commander, any other presidential candidate, no agent now were there. A committee no attendance no I receive reports from your opinion
93.1.
Hello
me ton kakasawai
enti the yes say the course I knew be there no akwanya ho say oni akono betumi de na asem abedan committee no na yetumi eti both sides na ya resolve it. If it's the new patriotic party the da obi akoma so in fact the da ye presidential aspirant thing no makoma so ne say party no beko elections 2024 omu bia oye candidate no ekwa ko wini ama new patriotic party e di ahombrasim e di oman kronkron Ghana so ama mpuntu abagana
okay
any body
Evans yemhwe aba no omutu wie ye no see your friend no the famous 0909 nipa mienu abo bracket yesusa no sa na ne ye ka no apai National Executive Committee National Council meeting no menim say wo mo trase no mo fa decision a ede ansem na mo de koto omanim. What suggestion have you made so far? Are you going for September 2nd runoff, or you have suggested something to the National Executive Council and the National Council? Omo meeting e na omo ye no.
Onim say a presidential elections committee there. Yeah, the guidelines were too good. Now, your guidelines, no, you can say a kobase nipe mienu anamiasa etaya. You be the friend of runoff September 2nd. Eye meminde way. Yeah, the report ebekwa koma National Executive Committee and the National Council. And no na constitution no ought to mean say in the absence of national conference no. Obe take a decision ebeboa party nkanko inti committee net in a report bekwa koma National Council
Okay
and no say obi abenya botre na obi a bibi kire oso no akwanya ho inti ubetumi de kire oso no ababeto committee nani na empenyimfo ahwe aka de yesene say no kra yenuano media for enema niema ye ofie ni nyina no ekoda abonti evise omo kavai na ensem ni bi wo na kokachire media ebe den se ubenya answer your party no e leadership new patriotic party a disciplined party and unti ne ka se ubi a bibi chire so no branene committee ni mamet nasa na yenuanum bi a omo so etisi omo so ano na omo pass insulting comment ne de eno the party no any sosa enti advice they kon say ubia behwe ho yi we should know our history ye who say party no a disciplined party and yes say uny opportunity na ne yenuano media for ekasenti na nsema eni nyina so ana odi egu abonten the yes pa bi no say iraje kufo wetu yefo o say simple say o ye messenger e party a e abamu a eye essence obekwa kwa general secretary now party no e opposition
okay
self to e mood pa in the party fo nyina yentie ni emfanya adwuma